Hi, I'm Maggie Murphy, and I'm the president of Student Council and the co-founder of Lettuce Club. I miss Maggie O'Brien more than anybody. Oh, and Dan the man is so cute. Little Debbie's the name, and eating Gushers, quesadillas, and fries every day is the game.
Are you late again, Maggie?
Oh, I just love myself when I'm tan, and yeah. Okay, so you know the guy I was obsessed with, Logan Rohr? Yeah. Well, he had a girlfriend, broke up with her to start dating me.
Oh my god, no way.
But then I broke up with him 2 weeks later.
Well, it doesn't really matter. Dave is a DJ, so.
Well, my boyfriend's still the hottest, so.
Hi, I'm Peyton, and I make anyone uncomfortable just by talking to them.
Hey Peyton, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was good. I threw a party. Parents weren't home. Lost some jewelry. Got some cars taken. Oh, and we can't find my brother. But so yeah, it's fine. Just got a couple things stolen. Oh, and my dad saw me skinny dipping.
Abby, I have a great idea for what you should get me for my senior gift.
Peyton,
No. I want Cheez-Its. Give me Cheez-Its. That's what I want for my senior gift. Yeah.
Oh my God, I'm going to pass out. I promise.
Hey Peyton, can you send that an email out for Beach Bash?
Yeah, I'll get on that.
Hey Peyton, did you send that Beach Bash email?
Yeah, I just did that.
Okay. Peyton, you spelled beach wrong.
Hi, I'm Tori. I'm a really good citizen. I founded Victory Volleyball. I'm so involved in Incarnate. I should have been the valedictorian, but I kind of took Earth Science my senior year. Guys, that's my boyfriend. Go big hitter! Oh no, I'm just trying to go to Dave's game.
I've thrown every legendary party there ever was senior year.
So
and
right.
you
Yeah.
know it.
Yeah.
4th of July was so fun.
Except for when we couldn't find Tori.
She was with me.
Hi, I'm Lauren and I got my gallbladder removed. And I was at school the next day because I have to keep up my status to be the valedictorian. My cat is so freaking cute.
Hi, I'm Emma Dunn. I don't really have any emotions and I'm pretty chill. So 4th of July was pretty much the best night of my life. Oh wait, New Year's was better. I didn't get my license until I was like 17 and a half because I was afraid to drive.
Hi, I'm Riley, and listen to this. Emmy does not look like me. Also, I should have gotten the pre-cal cord. Good morning. Today is April 29th. It is a J day. Let us stand for the morning prayer.
Okay, what are you doing?
Hi, I'm Yen, and I'm the queen of fluorescent. Lauren. Yen!
My boyfriend's so hot.
Too soon.
The rain just reminds me of swim season. I just love swim with all my heart, and the entire team is just my family, and I miss them.
Yes, Yen. Work it, Yen. Yeah, that looks good.
Miss Hampton, how do you do this? I don't understand at all.
Well, as I just went over, we're supposed to take this squared plus this squared to get the r squared.
But why is it squared? I don't understand.
Hey Riley, remember when you went to DEF camp?
listen to this. I thought I was gonna fail my calculus test.
Oh my gosh.
I got listen. Literally, it makes sense because literally I'm a valedictorian, but literally it's okay because I take